past simple.
She visited Paris last year and she saw the Eiffel Tower.
We use the past simple to talk about a finished action or state in the past. We often use time expressions with the past simple to say when the action happened.
We finished the project last Tuesday. I moved to New York in 2010. My sister was in Buenos Aires for 3 days. He left the house 10 minutes ago.
To form the past simple positive, we add ed to most regular verbs.
They watched a lot of TV last week.
The form of the past simple is the same for all subjects. With irregular verbs, we do not add ed for the past simple form. They have different forms.
He went on a trip and made a lot of friends.
We form the past simple negative with didn't.
They didn't like the food. She didn't see her friends.
It is the same for regular and irregular verbs. We form past simple questions with did.
Did you visit the pyramids? What time did they arrive?